Thune says South Dakota can do even better to remain the best state in the union for doing business. Thune began his weekly teleconference from Washington on Wednesday by mentioning South Dakota's status as CNBC's best state in the nation for business, a title announced yesterday on that cable affiliate of NBC. Being #1 is nice, Thune says, but it's something people in South Dakota have known and the product of a very specific effort to make South Dakota good for business.
Let me just say congratulations to South Dakota on being acknowledged by CNBC as the best state in the country in which to do business. That obviously is good news for our state, but no surprise to those businesses that have wisely chosen to do business in our state. So just yet another award received by our state for the good leadership that we have and a very favorable business climate.
Thune says a very intentional pattern of creating a business-friendly environment and low tax burden in South Dakota began under the watch of Governor Bill Janklow and has continued since. He says it's no accident that American business leaders and now CNBC have taken note of policies adopted with a purpose.
Having a state that balances its budget every year, that lives within its means, that doesn't spend money it doesn't have, that keeps taxes low on businesses and regulations that can be very costly and burdensome for businesses low as well, have yielded the results that we've seen, and I think that's why we got the ranking that we did.
Thune says he believes more can be done to keep the cost of business down in South Dakota and increase incentives for corporations to locate here. All we need to do, he says, is improve education